Meiosis and Mitosis flipbook. Meiosis Phase 1. Interphase. Cells undergo DNA replication and form duplicate chromosomes. Prophase. Homologous chromosomes pair with corresponding homologous chromosome during synapsis. Metaphase. Homologous chromosomes pair align at the metaphase plate. Anaphase. Homologous chromosomes separate, pulled to two opposite poles by centrometric spindle fibers. Telophase. Daughter cells have one chromosome from each homologous pair. Interkinesis. Chromosomes still consist of two chromatids. Meiosis Phase 2. Prophase. Cells have one chromosome from each homologous pair. Metaphase. Chromosomes align at the metaphase plate. Anaphase. Daughter chromosomes move towards the poles. Telophase. Spindle disappears, nuclei form, and cytokinesis takes place. Daughter cells. Meiosis results in 4 haploid daughter cells. Mitosis phases. Interphase. Centrosomes have duplicated, chromatin condenses into chromosomes, and the nuclear envelope is fragmenting. The nucleus is in the center. The chromatin is the squiggly purples in the inside of this. The asters are the brown things, and the nuclear envelope is the outside of this. Prophase. Nucleus has disappeared and duplicated. Chromosomes are visible now. Centrosomes begin moving apart and spindle is in the process of forming. The spindles are these brown lines that connect to these. The centromere is the center of this, and the duplicated chromosomes are the two blue. So these are those duplicated ones right there. Prometaphase. Kinetochore of each chromatid is attached to a connected core spindle fiber. Polar spindle fibers stretch from each spindle pole and overlap. A polar spindle is this brown thing. Connected core fiber is over here. A spindle pole is over here. And connected core is the yellow things in the center of these. Metaphase. Centromeres of duplicated chromosomes align at the metaphase plate. Connected core spindle fibers attached to the sister chromatids come from opposite spindle poles. So here's connected core spindle fiber, the brown things, and then the chromosomes at the metaphore plate, which are those. Anaphase. Sister chromatids part and become daughter chromosomes that move toward the spindle poles. Then each pole receives the same number and kinds of chromosomes as the parent cell. So here's the daughter chromosome. See the little things. Telophase. Daughter cells are forming as nuclear envelopes and nucleoli reappear. So here's the cleavage furrow, which is the blue thing around the outside of this. And this is the nucleus, and it's in both of these. So there's one, and there's the other. Here is a comparison between mitosis and meiosis. Both productions are associated with the idea of cytokinesis. Both end results lead to daughter cells that produce from the parent cell. Both processes and sequence of events include the same things. They both have the breakdown of the nuclear membrane, separation of genetic material, cell division, and reform of the membrane. Contrast of the two. In the mitosis process, the daughter cells are identical, have an asexual reproduction, start and end with the diploid. Their two daughter cells and the number of chromosomes stay the same throughout the process. In the meiosis process, the cells don't make identical copies. They have a sexual reproduction. The diploid then ends with a haploid. There's 4 daughter cells and the number of chromosomes split in half. The End by Addison Crowe.